looked into something I have done in the past just for fun. It's called Gamer Saloon, guys. So basically what you do is you bet money playing video games. And so if there's any video games you guys are really good at, this is really fun to do. And I know Madden just came out, 2K just came out. I got both of those. NHL just came out. Getting that when I get back from my trip. So a lot of games out right now. And basically you can there's a lot of things you can do on here. So you can just look. So say for instance I want to play 2K19. I can go in here and I can look for 2K19, which I'm freaking like 12-5 right now. So I'm thinking about doing it actually because I'm pretty good at 2K. The new one that just came out. So we have NBA 2K19. You can look for different matches. So $10, $25, $3, $12, 8.50 to 10, 15 to 25, 3 to $10. And then you can also come in here and send challenges to a bunch of different people as well. Let me zoom out of this real quick so you can see the other side here. Okay, and then so you can send challenges to anybody you want, and what's cool is you can look at their records first. So they can see what their records are in different games. So you can see, does this guy play 2K19 for PS4? He's 2-4, so he's probably not that good. So he'd probably be a good one you'd want to challenge. So if there's any games you're really good at, you can literally get on here and then search for different people and then look for their records. And if their records suck, they're probably not that good, which means if you are good, you can win some money. So basically you can send them a challenge here. And then you can say, PlayStation 4, 2K19, and then you can do, you can put whatever the frick you want. You can put $200 if you want to play them for $200. You can put $10. Most people do somewhere between $5 and $10. And so yeah, if you win, and so imagine if you bet $10 10 times in a day, and you win all 10 games. Guess what? You made $100 that day playing 2K. I mean, it's pretty cool. Like, it's a lot of fun. And so you can do this with all types of games. I mean, they have Call of Duty on here, FIFA, NHL, MLB, 2K, NHL, Battlefield, Destiny. So they have all types of game, WWE. They even have the Golf Club, which I love that game, but I don't think very many people play golf. But and so as you can see here, I'll show you guys my um, match history here. So I've lost a lot of games. I've definitely lost more money than I've won on here, but literally all you do is just bet money against people and play them. It's really fun. So I've been doing it for, I mean, I stopped because I kept losing, but there's a lot of guys that are really good, so make sure you're really freaking good before you do this, because probably a lot of 12-year-olds that just sit here all day making a bunch of money because they don't have to do anything but play video games all day. But yeah, there's a lot of really good people, but I played a lot of NHL 16, 2K 16, MLB, played that a lot. I'm really good at that. 2K, Madden, I played a couple games of Madden. And NBA 2K17, NHL 18, NBA 2K18. Might get back into it with the NBA 2K19 because I'm pretty good at that so far. But yeah, so that's really fun. I believe they have tournaments on here too. So you can get a prize of $9. Entry fee's $5. So see, like $10 entry fee, but you can win 18. But it's a tournament, so I usually stay away from those because I think you have to win like multiple games, and so it doesn't make economic sense compared to doing something like this. So basically the best thing to do is just come in here and then look. So these people already have challenges up, and you can list a challenge as well. So you can do challenge, and then you'll be one of these right here waiting for somebody to accept. And then when they do accept, you can actually you can look at their record first when they accept, and then you can decline it if you want to. Or if they have a bad record and they challenge you and you already have a challenge up and they accept it and they have a bad record, go ahead and play them. But that way you can put it up for whatever you want. So if you want to play for $4, you can put an open challenge up for $4, and that way you'll probably get like 5 requests, and then you can pick the worst record out of those 5, and you'll have the best chance at winning the game. A lot of people have rules on there too, because obviously there's some glitchy things that happen in video games. So some people, you can put like no Golden State Warriors, or no, no doing the same play more than 5 times in a game, or you can make any type of rule like that. And Gamer Saloon's really good. You can go and dispute it if they cheat, or if something goes wrong. And usually Gamer Saloon's really good. I've never even had a problem with them glitching out or anything like that, or cheating or anything. It's always been really, really competitive, good games. And the money situation is really cool. Gamer Saloon does take a couple bucks of every single time you bet money. So you won't, if you bet 15, you'll win back like 13. So it's a lot easier to lose money than it is to win. Because if you bet 15 bucks, you're losing 17 if you lose instead of you know so that's the way that goes. But just something I thought was really fun that I wanted to show you guys about how you can make money playing video games. I'm not affiliated with Gamer Saloon at all in any way. I wanted to bring that to your guys' attention if you didn't know about it. How many of you guys play video games? I'm interested in learning about that. I know some of you guys are sim racers and said, oh, I think it's really cool you sim race, because I do too, blah, blah, blah. But what about other games? You guys play PS4, Xbox? Let me know, what's your favorite games? Very interested in learning about that. I love playing video games, so I'm a big video game fan. So if you guys are interested, let me know what kind of video games you enjoy, what systems you have, what games you play, things like that. Interested in learning about that from you guys, but just something to bring to your attention. Of course, you can also make a YouTube channel on top of it, do what I teach in the course, and then, you could even make a YouTube channel where you're like, oh, I bet this much money, and then you can make videos based on that. And then people probably like to watch you play games where you bet money on YouTube, and then you can kind of win money on Gamer Saloon while you're making money on YouTube. A lot of possibilities there, but let me know what you guys think about this. You guys play video games? What type of video games do you play? I love to know. I'm about to go to Ames, Iowa, and watch Iowa State hopefully destroy Oklahoma. I went to Iowa State for undergrad, as you guys probably know. So looking forward to going back to Jack Trice. It's been a while since I've been in Ames, so looking forward to that game. It's going to be a really, really good one.